thing start? Start now.
Rightio, baby. Good luck. Find your rhythm.
Hold.
First hour into the swim. Okay, we're about an hour and a half into the swim. Water temp's 24 degrees. It's only about 6 knots. It's a southwesterly at the moment, but that's changing. She's already had her first drink stop. Okay, it's nearly 2 hours into the swim. Water temperature's 24 degrees. Now we've moved away from Green Island, the current's picked up a little bit more, heading from north to south. But we're still holding track.
So you get a better shot.
Okay, 2.5 hours. Water temp's 24.2. The wind's actually dropped off a little bit. Okay, coming up to hour number 3. Water temperature's 24.2 degrees. We've still got a slight breeze, it's probably about 6 knots still. Rightio, coming up to the 4-hour mark. Water temperature's holding at 24.2. The wind's still only 6 knots. It's more of a southerly, southwesterly than anything else. But we're holding a pretty straight track.
Shipping line, no, that's just a offshore line.
That's about the 4-hour mark. She's only done 9 Ks. But she's still going. Okay, we're at 5 hours. Wind has changed, it's come around to a southeasterly. Water temp's still sitting at 24.2. She's only just going over 2.5 kilometres an hour. Here we go, it's just gone over 6 hours. Wind's come around to an easterly. It's only about 4 or 5 knots. Water temperature's now 24.4. We're over halfway. There we go. Wind's picked up a little bit from the east. It's probably running about 7 knots now. Water temp's holding strong at 24.4 degrees. 7 hours into the swim now. Eight hours done. About 9 k's left. Doing well. Water temp's still 24.4. Probably got 7 or 8 knot easterly pushing us. Just gone past the 9-hour mark. We've only got about 5 k's left to do. Wind's probably about 7 or 8 knots from the east. Water temperature's sitting at 24.4. She's doing well. Sea's on the beach at 5. 10 hours in. 2 k's left. The wind's sitting at a solid 8 knots easterly. Water temp's still 24.4. She's doing well. Coming up to 11 hours. The wind's dropped off. It's now only about 5 knots. Water temperature's just above 24 degrees Celsius. And the last kilometre. She's only just got to get to there. And that's it. 25.5 k's done. Okay, just under 11 hours and she's going up onto the beach. What a fabulous swim. Great day.